Hi, Martin here. Today I'm going to show you how to replace your PVC valve on your 4.7 liter Chrysler Dodge Jeep engines. And this particular one we're going to be changing out on a 2001 Dodge Dakota. Would be exactly the same cosmetically as a Durango. And then it's also located in the exact same place, let's say on your Jeep Grand Cherokees. Alright, well, I'm going to also show you the reason we're changing this out, and I just discovered this while doing an oil change. And someone did some really hokey crap. It actually looked good cosmetically, and if they had done just one little more mod, it would have worked just fine. But I've owned this thing for I think about 10 months right now, and basically the entire time I've owned it and the previous owner made this change, or whoever did the mechanical work on this, there has been no crankcase ventilation through this engine whatsoever. So ran down, got a PVC valve to get this fixed right away. So let's get started and I'll show you what's going on here. Okay, right here you're going to see this is the PVC valve in the fill neck up here up front. They did this up till around 2006 or 2007, and then they changed the PVC valve back to the rear cylinder head. Now, this all looks just fine, doesn't it? Well, I removed this, and then I pulled this boot off, and nothing seemed abnormal to me at the time. It didn't dawn on me. But as soon as I pulled the boot off, I did see something abnormal right up here at top. Here, I'm going to show you. I'm going to just got some vice grips here. I'm just going to spin that PVC valve out of there. There we go. It's like about a quarter turn, and then you can pull it out. There we go. All right there. You can see that there's a hole right here on the side, and I'm going, what the heck? And then if you apply the boot to this, that covers up that hole. So nothing is getting through here at all, because this is plugged on the top, of course. So had they just simply cut this top off, then put this on here, it would have worked. But here's what it's supposed to look like. So what actually happened is this broke off. And this is kind of common. The plastic gets brittle, and you're trying to do some engine work to this. And these hoses, the original hose that should be on here, something like this here, like a 3/8 diameter hose, about that long, they get very brittle and break as well. So, yeah, we got to get this changed out. All right, taking the PCV valve here. I actually got it right that time. Lining this notch up with the notch down on here. You insert it that way, and you just got to turn it a quarter turn clockwise. And if these air conditioning lines and heater hoses weren't in the way, this would be a very easy job. It's still easy, it just make it easier. There. Okay, you got to apply some pressure to the top of it, kind of pushing it in a little bit. Once you get it started, now you just got to turn it. I'm going to bring in some vice grips here just to help me out a little bit. There we go. Just barely had to put any pressure on that at all to get that to go in. Now we just install this hose. You only need it probably, that's maybe 2.5 inches long. 3/8 diameter will work fine. There we go. Perfect. All right, got that one fixed. Finally, my engine can now breathe. I am amazed it wasn't pumping oil out of all the gaskets. You know, looking for places to push all that pressure. Well, got that one fixed. I've also done a how to reduce the sludging on your engine video by changing out the PVC valve to the later model one. I'll put a link up here. You can check that one out. And if you have never subscribed to me before, please hit that subscribe button right down there and that little bell symbol right next to it. And that way you get notified the next time I upload a video. I'm also an Amazon affiliate. Check out the links down in the description where you'll find products and tools may have used in the video, and you can do all your Amazon shopping through one of those links and the channel earns a small commission. Really appreciate that. Thanks for watching, and we will see you on the next one.